The wait is finally over. DJI has officially unveiled the brand new DJI Neo 2, and this is the compact drone upgrade we've all been waiting for. For months, the leaks, rumors, and speculation had the drone community buzzing, and now that it's here, the hype is absolutely real. The Neo 2 isn't just a small refresh, it's a complete redefinition of what a compact drone can do. With a stunning new design, a powerful 1-inch sensor capable of 4K at 120 frames per second, pro-level features like 10-bit D-Log, next-gen obstacle avoidance, and an incredible 40 minutes of flight time, this drone is setting a brand new standard. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the DJI Neo 2, from its specs and features, to pricing, release details, and why this might just be DJI's smartest move yet. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The wait is finally over. DJI has officially announced the DJI Neo 2, and the buzz surrounding this release is unlike anything we've seen in the drone industry for a long time. For months, the rumors, leaks, and speculation about DJI's next big launch had enthusiasts and professionals guessing what direction the company would take. Now that the Neo 2 is finally here, it's safe to say DJI has managed to deliver something that combines innovation, accessibility, and performance in a way that feels like a turning point in compact drone technology. The Neo 2 isn't just another refresh or minor upgrade, it feels like the drone we've all been waiting for. DJI has always had a unique place in the drone industry. They are the undisputed leader, and every release sets the tone for the entire market. From the Mavic series, which redefined portability and professional quality, to the Mini series, which opened the skies to hobbyists around the world, DJI has consistently set benchmarks. But the Neo lineup represented something new, a blend between affordability and power, a series designed to give creators a lightweight yet capable drone without the compromises we usually expect in lower-tier models. The first DJI Neo was a strong start, but it still felt like an experiment. The Neo 2, however, takes that foundation and builds something remarkable on top of it. When you first see the DJI Neo 2, you immediately notice the design evolution. DJI has opted for a sleeker, more aerodynamic frame that balances portability with durability. The arms are foldable, as expected, but the structure feels sturdier, giving confidence that it can withstand frequent flights and rougher handling. DJI has managed to keep the Neo 2 extremely lightweight, which is critical for many markets where regulations are becoming stricter. Despite its lightness, it doesn't feel fragile. Instead, it carries a premium build quality that signals this is not just a toy, it's a true aerial imaging tool. Of course, design is only the beginning. The biggest talking point with the DJI Neo 2 is its camera system. DJI has equipped it with a new sensor that brings a level of quality previously unseen in a drone of this size. The Neo 2 features a 1-inch CMOS sensor, capable of capturing stunning 4K video at up to 120 frames per second and detailed 20-megapixel stills. This is a massive upgrade from the first Neo, which was good but clearly limited when compared to the Mavic or Air series. With the Neo 2, DJI is making professional-grade aerial imagery accessible in a smaller package, which will appeal to both content creators and enthusiasts who want breathtaking shots without investing in a bulkier, more expensive system. Low light performance